Prime factorization. Prime factor. A prime factor of a given number is a factor if this factor is a prime number. For example, 2 and 3 are prime factor of 18. Prime factorization. It is the process of expressing a number into the product of its prime factors. So, prime factorization is used to express the given number as the product of its prime factors. For example, let's factorize 48 in different ways. So we can write 48 equals to 2 into 24, that is product of 2 and 24, and further we can split 24 as 2 into 12. Now again we can split 12 as 2 into 6, and 6 can further be split into 2 into 3. So 48 here can be written as, its prime factorization is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 into 3, as these are prime numbers or prime factors of 48. So we can express 48 as the product of their prime factors. So we can also write, the other way to represent 48 is 3 multiplied by 16. Now further split 16 as 2 multiplied by 8. We further split 8 as 2 multiplied by 4. And we further split 4 as 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2. So now we can write 48 as the product of factors 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So we have expressed the factorization form of 48 and the product of its prime factor in the second way or the other different way as we have done it previously. Now we can also express 48 as the product of 6 and 8. So further split 6 as 2 multiplied by 3 and further split 8 as 2 multiplied by 4, and 4 can further be split as 2 multiplied by 2. Now we take the prime numbers, that is 2, so we can express 48 as prime number is 2, 3, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So there are different ways to represent a number in prime factorization form. as the product of its prime factors. So we observe that though the prime factors appear in different order in each case, but in each case the prime factors are the same, since 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2, we generally ignore order in which the prime factors appear. Thus the prime factorization of 48 is unique. This is not only true for 48, but it holds true for every composite number. This property is called the prime factorization property of the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Prime factorization property: every composite number can be factorized into prime factors in one and only one way, except for the order of the factors. Finding prime factors. The finding of prime factors of a given large by using the factor tree method is not suitable. Here we will be using division method, which is used to find prime factors of large numbers in the method, which is used to find prime factors of large numbers. In this method, we divide successively by the prime numbers in ascending order 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Let's see example number 1. Find the prime factors of 20,570. So to find the prime factor, let's use the divisibility method to find the prime factors 20,570. So first, the lowest prime factor that can divide is 2. So we get 10,285. So we can write 20,570 as the product of 2 into 10,285. Now again, let's divide 10,285 by 5 as it is a prime number. So we get 2057. So we can write further as and split 10,285 as 5 multiplied by 2057. Now this number is divisible by prime number 11. So 11 ones are 11, 11 eights are 88, and 11 sevens are 77. So we can further split 2057 as 2 into 5 into 11 into 187. Now 187 can be divided by other least prime number, that is 11. So 11 ones are 11 and 11 sevens are 77. So we can further split 187 as 11 into 17. And 17 can only be divided by 17, and we get 1. So this is how we express 2570. Now 20,570 can be expressed as product of its prime factor, that is 2 into 5 into 11 into 11 into 17. So this is the prime factors of 20,570.